Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, and once again I'm at another market in Malaysia. This is the Ramadan Market. Sorry, it's a night market, although this is the evening, but we purposely came earlier because we know it's going to be really crowded. It's about 4:30 now and it's already this crowded. We are going to go down the stretch and let's have a look what we can find at this market. So first stall over here is really crowded and they are selling satay. So they have chicken and they have beef satay, and that's basically meat on sticks, skewers. Let's see if we can pop in over here, and that's basically how it looks like. Alright, let's go further down and have a look at the other stalls over here. Some fritters, not as popular, and then let's have a look what we have here. So basically assortment of rice dishes with different toppings. I see egg, I see prawn, and this is what we call banana leaf. More corn over here. This is corn on the cob but Malaysian style. Uncle Mat Ayam Kunting, so this is a fried chicken. And check this out, this is really kind of retro. So these are all biscuits and snacks sold in these tins with these clear fronts so you can see what's inside. Now I haven't seen these in years, so this is really traditional in the style of the presentation, and you get all kinds of snacks, all kinds of cookies, all there. Pretty cool. More snacks. These more conventional modern day packaging in plastic bags, and previously in the Chinese New Year markets I said these are very popular in terms of the packaging. Yeah, that's really standard in terms of that red cap over there. More food. So this is fried noodle, very popular over here. Come to one of my favorites. These are like pancakes, and on the inside you get corn, you get peanut, you get coconut, so different types of fillings. You can see she's putting the sweet corn, and once it gets hot enough she'll fold it over and you get these. You can get really crispy ones or soft ones. Some fresh fruits and vegetables on both sides over here. Now it's going to be hard to film because I don't know which side to showcase, but let's go and have a look at some of the meat here. So we got raw meat. In my opinion, not the most hygienic, but you could buy this and bring it back. In this stretch we've got seafood, so lots of fresh fish over here. We've got prawns. That's a tremendous amount of seafood. You typically don't get this in a normal market, but I guess this is the Ramadan market, so a bit special. And then we've got chicken parts over here, chicken legs. Now to some of you this probably might seem a bit gross. It's not the most hygienic environment, even in my opinion, but yes, you can get quite, I would say, budget-friendly chicken over here. Now this looks actually like the official start of the market, so everything we walked by just now is really just the preamble to the actual market, and this looks ridiculously crowded. Alright, let's go in and just see if we can even see anything or even film anything. Lots of people queuing up for this over here. What in the world is this? Pakiat Popiah Power. So I think it's some kind of a spring roll. Let's just go in and see. Yes, indeed, it is spring rolls. So what we have here are drink stalls and cooked food stalls, I think, on both sides. So what we saw earlier was mainly like market food, fresh food. Here we get more cooked food. If you saw my video on the Chinese New Year market, this is much more crowded. chicken wings, different fritters over here. And I have to try to get through this crowd. So this is a typical drink store. Now you really won't drink this because it's way too sweet unless you want to get diabetic. But these colored drinks are a mainstay. I would personally never drink this, but really interesting in how they make it because these are just huge, big containers. More cooked food. These are fritters. These are champata fritters, which basically is like jackfruit. So a really nice, sweet, tropical fruit, but with quite a pungent smell. So you either love it or you hate it. It's a bit like durian in that sense, but I think more palatable than durian for most people, and that's it over there. So you're probably wondering what I EDC to a market. Well, I've got a sling bag. It's a crossbody bag by Tactical Geek, but I'm carrying on my front simply because it's just so crowded. You want to make sure your things are near you to the front. And on the inside, I've just got my wallet, which has got my cards, some cash, and then I've got an Olight i5T as well as a Leatherman Rev. I've also got a first aid kit behind here in the zipper compartment. Other than that, that's it. Don't want to bring too much out. Keep it lightweight, and in case if I want to buy anything, I'll just stuff it inside. So tell you what, it is just too crowded and it's too long to film everything. So I hope this just gives you a taste of the Ramadan market. Definitely a great, interesting experience if you're into crowds and just seeing all the street food and culture. Well, that's just a peek into something here in this part of the world. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to share any thoughts, please let me know as well. Talk to you soon.